Hi guys, my name is Stanley and thank you for watching my channel. Today we're going to talk about using the battery box as your speaker box. This is meant for tanks such as the T90, Sherman, Panzer III. Using these tanks as examples because you have very limited space in them, and therefore it's not possible to put large speaker boxes as you've seen in our previous videos. I won't be doing an exact tutorial video because I already done it for some previous projects, so I'll share with you those videos and pictures that I had from those builds. But but basically we quickly walk through what you need to do if you were to do this technique. First of all, real basic, you need to do your magnet conversion, because since you'll be using the battery box as the speaker box, there's no way you're gonna put your battery inside the same. So you gotta relocate your battery in board, and the only practical way to open and close how to take your battery out or to unplug your battery is obviously the magnet conversion. So in this case, as you can see over here, the battery box is over here. And we will use the Vicertone FR58 speaker because that is about the right size. What I did was I cut a circle hole using a circle cutter, and I made that fit in here. It's very snug, and it's worth the effort because it sounds awesome. It sounds great, and it's a bit spaced off from the top. And it's not impeded or muffled by anything blocking on the upper hull, so it's great. The hole over here turns out as a base relief valve, so that's great. And you can put the battery, the space enough of the batteries or your MFUs and stuff like that. So a stock MFU sits right here. Usually when we change to a TK Clark board or similar, the boards would usually sit around here because this is much closer to the center. Here's some detailed points to take note of. With the T90, obviously you need to seal a hole over here. In the original battery box there is a hole that allows the battery to stick out as you can see with my finger sticking out like that. You obviously need to seal it with styrene or similar material, and obviously seal it and make sure it's pretty airtight. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, since you're doing it, might as well. You could use hot glue for sealing and stuff, or epoxy, whichever is your preference. And of course, you mark out the holes properly. And why we use the FR58, because diameter wise it's about this, just about right, and the depth of the speaker kind of matches the depth of the battery box as well. And of course, once everything is fitted, you have done the wiring and stuff like that, then only you decide to seal the battery door. Of course, it's better to permanently seal it with glue and everything, but if you're not confident, then of course you have the option of not doing it. And of course the sounds way better if you seal it, but you know, if you're not confident, then you don't have to stress yourself out. Other points to take note of is of course you have to make what I do with the hole over here. I actually doubled it as where the wires would come out from. For the speaker, the wire would come out from here and it goes right back to the board. And so, without further ado, I'll quickly show you these videos that I've done for my customers.
So this is the low setting. Louder setting. Machine gun. Cannon. Engine start. gonna sit over here so you can feel the sound coming out.
Okay guys, so this concludes today's video about how to use your battery box as a speaker box for your tank. I hope you find this video informative as usual, and if you have any suggestions for our next video, please feel free to write in the comments below, or any questions that is relevant to the video. I'm always happy to help out to the best of my knowledge, which is not very much, but as we are always learning. And guys, if you notice, this is the RC Tank Biathlon Malaysia event poster. Basically, we are the organizers for this event in Malaysia for the RC Tank community in here. So we have 4 main categories, which is the IR Biathlon, the IR Battle, Best Scale Modeler, and Best Engineer. What IR Biathlon is an obstacle course for the tanks, and you have to engage IR targets, and the best time wins. For the IR Battle, Malaysia is still playing the Heng Long code format, where everybody has 5 lives. We hope to upgrade to the Tamiya code. Most of us already have the Clark boards, but because we're still trying to get more people to understand and adopt this IR Battle format, so we hope to be upgrading to the Tamiya code soon. That way we will be able to accommodate more participants from all over the world, and who are already used to the Tamiya code as well. So other tanks such as the Tamiya tanks can battle out with tanks that is equipped with Tamiya compatible codes such as the Clark boards, Elmont, IBU, and stuff like that. And to encourage the hobbyists, the scale modelers, we have Best Scale Modeler. We have prizes for up to 3 third place, and of course, to encourage engineering to a high level of standard, we have Best Engineer award as well. So for more information, we'll make a video specifically about this event. Please watch this space, and please like, share, and subscribe.